Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by confirming the iPhone footage is Dolby Vision HDR and import via Media Browser so metadata stays intact. Once clips are in, set your project settings to a wide color space like Rec. 2020/HLG if you plan to finish in HDR, make sure to choose a consistent working space. If you need Rec. 709 output, you can keep the project at Rec. 709 and plan a convert step. Begin with full resolution timeline and disable any automatic proxies so you control color handling. Next, duplicate your sequence and apply a color space transform in the Effects panel to convert from the clip's HDR color primaries to your timeline space. This step normalizes HDR values into Rec. 709 if needed. Once converted, use Lumetri, lower highlights and whites, raise shadows and blacks to recover detail, and apply a gentle contrast curve. Make incremental saturation and vibrance tweaks. Avoid clipping. Use scopes, waveform and vector scope to confirm legal levels and natural skin tones before moving on. For final export, choose the correct color space in your deliver settings. Rec. 709 for SDR or HLG/Dolby Vision if you need HDR masters. Make sure to enable maximum render quality and render previews to avoid surprises. If the result looks flat or clipped, reopen the clip, verify the input LUT or color space transform settings, and try a different conversion preset or a small exposure tweak. Finally, always test the exported file on the intended display and check scopes for out-of-range values to catch remaining issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.